are on like first floor
Hardly 2 people.
and dead body is burning. Manikaran Ghat. Manikarnika Ghat. Look at that. So look at the wood. All the wood that they have accumulated, that wood will continue to come every day, and then they will use this wood like for single person. Look at that fire. That is one dead body burning. Look at that. There is a boat full of wood that has come here. They will come and wash their dead bodies, and then they see that is dead body lying there. So they will take the dead body, wash, give a bath, and then take it to the pier and then lit on fire. See, behind the wall you can feel like there is a lot of fire going on. That fire is basically all the dead bodies burning. Oh, Kashi Vishwanath Temple Gate. We are on this boat, and from here we are showing you the views of all the ghats. There is a lighting going on, lighting for that temple. हाँ जाओ जाओ चलो आरती आरती this boat all the people are on like first floor. They are all tourists or they are here for religious visit. They are stopped here to see the aarti or see the god. इसलिए बहुत सारी बोट्स लगी हुई है ना,
इसीलिए लगी है।
So we will try to go there for like a few minutes if we can see.
फिर गार्ड में नहीं चढ़ा जाएगा?
No, no, guard में नहीं.
गार्ड में जाने नहीं देंगे। वो हो रही यार।
So this is the one.
ढूंढ के जाना पड़ेगा। हाँ ठीक है कोई नहीं।
Yeah, there aarti is going on. Oh, लग गई.
नहीं लगेगी, नहीं लगेगी।
बच गया, बच गया. There is aarti going on. Here you can see many boats and many people on the guard. All these boats are here for aarti. There's a big aarti going on right now. See all these boats. They are here for a purpose, for aarti. This whole area is covered. Look at all the people. They will try to stop their boat here and then have a view of aarti.
जगह नहीं है, बोट लगाने की जगह नहीं है।
boats. Look at this boat.
जगह नहीं है दिखेगा ये दूसरी चल आगे
इधर इधर थोड़ा सा इधर इधर There is a big arti going on. Look at the lights. what I am going to do with the sound. I will see if I can clean up this sound, but I doubt it. So we came here for special purpose. Little bit further, our guest house is on the other side. We are going to go to the other side. But look at the boats. All the people coming in boats. And look at these boats. There are some other boats also without any light. This is Ganges, Ganga River. There is a Ganga cruise service also. That is amazing. Religious place in Varanasi. Okay, we are going towards our guest house and I will show you. This is also one big boat. What are these? Diyas?
हाँ हाँ दिया
Floating diyas?
वो है केले के पत्ते का वो बनाया होता है ना दिया उसमें
हाँ।
लोग डाल के अपनी मन्नत बेचते हैं आगे
Oh, it's a floating diyas. Diyas means lights. Floating real flame.
ये सब कुछ इसके अंदर वो होता है बायोडिग्रेडेबल होता है ना उसका बना होता है ये केले के पत्ते का बना होता है उसके अंदर ही सब
But
कुछ
I
होता है।
see the shiny color. Shiny color.
वो फूल वगैरह होते हैं वो जो दीप जल रहा है ना उससे
हाँ।
शाइन बनती है पानी के साथ
Okay, we came to our place where we are going to stay with the beautiful view of the river. Okay, now we have a trek going. We will be going up the stairs to our hotel. Hotel is right on the ghats, right on the bank of river. Look at this. So many boats. Small boats, big boats. And this is what we are going to do. Stairs up. One of that Rashmi guest house, the yellow one, is our guest house where we are staying. And we have discounted price. Otherwise it's like 20,000 rupees, Indian rupees, one day, and we will be paying 10,000 rupees per day. Look at the stairs that we came. Look at all the boats. Night view of Ganga Ghat. There's quite a number of stairs. This is the place. And these are the thin streets. And there's the banyan tree. One big banyan tree. And there's the puja also going on. The fishes. Here we are in elevator. Hardly two people can come and stand. Hardly two people. And this is how we are seeing each other. Like glasses everywhere. You can see at least like maybe 20 people going in elevator. But it's not 20, it's just 2. So we are going to third floor. It's just raised up like 5 stories. So go. Okay. That is going to be our view. Everywhere, Merry Christmas. Today's 25th. And that is the view of the river. And this is our room. Rest room. Good one. Geyser. He's trying to show us the view. There is a big window. I think morning time.
Sunrise will be from
Yeah, but we will be here or not?
here 6.
Huh?
Waking up at 5.
So we have to go early to Ayodhya. So these are the streets of Varanasi. People are going in groups to different temples like Kashi Vishwanath, then Ganga Ghats. So the time is like 5:30 and the streets are busy already. They are serving tea and things, snacks. Look at that, it's like 5:30 in the morning and you can see some people are sleeping on streets. These are all tourists. So we came from that street, King Street. So we have a tour to Ayodhya today, like 4 hours. We have hired a taxi And look at the rush. This is like 5:30. It's very religious city. People come from all over. And there is another temple. Brihaspati Mandir. So we are trying to find a way where our taxi driver is waiting. It may be like 3-4 minutes walk from our hotel. Must be around like 10 minutes walk. Look at the street. This is the morning rush. Can't believe it. Look, dosas in the morning. This is the street. This is the dedication that people have. The morning has started early. Just enjoy the walk with me. Lot of foreign group. Lot of foreign people.
किसकी है?
This is a chalk. Look at that.
ये स्ट्रीट है,
Huh?
ये स्ट्रीट है मणिकर्णिका के पीछे वाली.
Oh. You can see it's not sun up yet. Still a little bit dark. Can't believe it. The day has started so early here.
From 4 o'clock.
Oh, 4 o'clock.
People generally wake up at 3:30.
Oh my God. That is the spiritual journey. Oh, that is a Girjagar. Means. What is that called in English? It's Christian's home. St. Thomas Church. That is Christmas celebrations.
आगे की तरफ.
St. Thomas Church.
ये पेट्रोल टैंकी है. आ रहे हो?
हाँ भैया थोड़ा सा
65 कितने होते हैं?
65.
उसका लास्ट का नंबर 65 है.
These are the Varanasi roads. Isn't it?
ये
Okay. So you got the car. We're going to start our journey now. वाइट लाइट नहीं होता? अच्छा भैया अपना नाम बता दो.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शुएब है.
हाँ. और कितना टाइम लगेगा?
यहाँ से सर तकरीबन 4 घंटा लगेगा. जाम नहीं मिलेगा तो 4 घंटे में
हाँ. ठीक है. और वहाँ पे दर्शन करने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा ये पता है? 1 से 1.5 घंटा.
जी
रश होगा?
राम जी ये दर्शन करिए.
हाँ.
और क्या नाम है हनुमानगढ़ी दर्शन.
हाँ. हाँ.
और अगर आपको गंगा जी नहाना है तो गंगा जी नहा लीजिएगा.
अच्छा. वहाँ पे तो सरयू है ना?
हाँ सरयू नदी.
गंगा तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं गंगा नहीं, वही सरयू नदी को
हाँ.
लोग गंगा बोलते हैं.
अच्छा. तो 8 घंटे 10 घंटे लगा के चलिए.
हाँ सर.
तो अभी 6 है तो शाम को 6 आएंगे तो अंधेरा हो जाएगा.
जी जी.
हाँ. हम लोग सोच रहे थे कोई 4 बजे वापस आ जाएंगे, नहीं होगा.
नहीं सर 4 बजे के लिए फिर
हाँ.
तो और पहले निकलना होता है.
तो वाराणसी गंगे अयोध्या करना है तो कम से कम 4-5 दिन रख के चलिए.
हाँ.
हाँ. वाराणसी में बहुत है देखने वाला.
बनारसी में आप अगर घूमते रहिए आपको इतना मंदिर मिलेगा कि कुछ कहने की बात नहीं.
आई नो बहुत मंदिर है, बहुत मंदिर है. हम तो साउथ में होके आए ना, वो तमिलनाडु वगैरह बहुत मंदिर है, बहुत मंदिर है. और इतना रश हर जगह पे, इतना रश. अभी यहाँ पे भी कोई बिलीव नहीं कर सकता कि अभी 5:30 बजे भी इतना रश हो चुका है. अभी
24 घंटा आपको रश मिलेगा.
अभी थोड़ी देर के बाद तो और भी बहुत चलने के लिए जगह नहीं मिलेगी.
जी फिर तो देखते हैं गाड़ी इधर बंद हो जाती है, पैदल आपको आना पड़ता है.
इसलिए शायद लोग सुबह सुबह ही निकल पड़े हैं. अब यहीं पे रहते हैं? कहाँ से? गाजीपुर यूपी में ही. अच्छा पास में ही है. चलो जय श्री राम. आगे. So we made first stop on our journey to Ajodhya. This is a fuel stop and it's called petrol pump here, not gas or anything. You get petrol and diesel. That's what in India it's like this. You will see diesel and then there is another one, petrol. So there is always a person attendant who will take money and who will fill in. You don't need to come out of the car. It's full service here, all the petrol pumps. So it's quite big. One thing is there is no convenience stores like in other countries. You will get on the gas stations or petrol pumps, you will have something to buy. Yes, there is a restroom. Bathrooms are there. Okay, we are done with the stop. We'll continue our journey now.